We'll take a look at this headlight now. I've done a video like this quite a while ago. A lot of people have seen it and hopefully have benefited from it. We're going to mask this off because this looks better in the video than it does in real life for some reason. So we'll mask it off and we'll do half of it just to show you the difference and a little bit of time frame. It doesn't take much time at all to make this headlight look good again. Hey, it's Uncle Mark here again. Long time no see, I know. I've used this before. It's Mother's Mag and aluminum polish. Not really made for this, but it's abrasive and it's not too harsh. Which side should we do? Let's do this piece here. Smear a little bit on there. It's gonna spray everywhere, so a little bit more on there. Get something to wipe it with. Some kind of a cloth. Should have had that ready, I guess. I paused because I had a phone call, but that's all it's taken me. See what the difference is. Ah! Wow. Can you see it? Here, I'll get closer. Do a little more. I want the whole headlight looking pretty good. I'm actually getting it safetied, and here in Manitoba, they didn't like that it was kind of hazy. It passed, but it was an advisement on it, and I'd rather it look good. Let's move you over a little bit. No better? It's not easy. Oh, the signal light turned out good too. Not bad. It's almost like it's a little hazy right here. So I'm just gonna try a little bit more. Right there, maybe it's scratched or something for some reason. Amazingly pretty good. We'll do this side too. I'll move you over. We'll do the same as we did last time. I'll do half of it first, and then we'll see. That really makes it a difference as to what it looks like. I'm not too worried about getting this stuff spraying on the car. Car needs a good polish anyway. See where my little rag went here. I'm spending no time on this at all. Can you see definitely where the line is right here? And like this stuff is not going to come off that easy, but with a little bit of buffing, I'm going to have this looking like that. Like say this stuff is what, $10 or something like that or less. Get some kind of a pad for your drill and go to it. Back you up here a little bit again. Instead of buying another headlight, I think it looks pretty good to me. You can even see my shine in it now. An ugly mug. Done. Let's just take a look at the other side and see what this one looks like. Not as nice as this one. You get the picture. Here's some bonus footage. I've got these two taillights, and well, they're not very shiny. They're okay. Let me see if we can polish them up. Now, I know a lot of people say, oh, you should take the headlight off or whatever. Well, how do you hold this from moving around and buff it at the same time? It is possible. Do you want to break your light by going flaying somewhere? They're only plastic. You know, we're going to smear some of this stuff all over the place here and see what we can do. That's what we did last time. See how good this comes. Oh, that stuff's quite the stuff to breathe in. Let's go for it. Yeah, this is a dumb idea. Slippery as heck. Oh. So all those guys were complaining before I should take them off. They've never done this before. Well, that didn't take very long though. If I could just set that somewhere. where it's okay and just try and polish this baby up, see what it looks like. Oh yeah, it looks pretty new. Wow, I'm impressed. I'll have to show you it beside the other one that was the original scuff marks. Look at my pants now. Like some have mentioned before, just about any kind of polish probably would work. Even get those guys, oh, you can use toothpaste. Well, you could, but do you want toothpaste everywhere? You know, I think it's pretty good. Let me show you against the other two. Take a little closer look. I don't know if you can see how dull this one is. And if you look at this one, how shiny it is. Not sure now. For what? How much time did I spend on it? Well, you saw. Guess we could replay the tape. It turned out pretty darn good compared to this. Let's do this one too now. Of course, a little bit more of the mothers. That stuff's good. I like it because it's not too slimy. It doesn't run. It's cheap. I'm not going to bother putting anything on here after, just because if it scuffs up again, it's going to take me like, what, 30 seconds, maybe a minute tops to clean it up a little bit more. Okay, let's get the old drill out. Be a lot easier on the car. A lot easier on the car. Whoa, could have broke it there. A lot of people gave me flack on the first one I did with the headlight on that little Kia, if you remember, the little green Kia. Oh, because I didn't have the right kind of pads and everything. I didn't think it was going to work. That was the whole purpose of that video. This we know is going to work. I'm just showing you how good it's going to turn out. One guy to another, this is actually going to be an anniversary present for some friends of ours that have a Jetta, 2002 I think it is. They've got one that a piece broke off of here. This is the top actually. Chunk broke off. So I got them two of them because these are a little fancier. They've got yellow signal up here where theirs is red. Got the brake light and then it's got a backup light here. So very nice. A little fancier looking. They'll be just pumped, and these are actual genuine Volkswagen parts. Doesn't that look nice though? Like brand new again. So give this one just one more treatment on this side. I just clip my mic on so that maybe it'll be a little better quality audio. And of course, as I mentioned earlier, my recommendation is do this on the car. If you're worried about splattering a little bit of wax on the car, well, tape something up, cover something, because if this went flying, now you're out of taillight. Wouldn't take much to crack these, would it? Again, oh man, that's looking really, it looks like new.